My ankle came out. Hey guys, it's PatrickStarrr. Welcome back to my channel. Today I'm gonna do a drunk skincare routine. It is about 4:30 in the morning. I can't really show you my the freaking time. Sorry, pardon me. I am a little bit turned. I'm filming on my phone, as you guys can see. I'm literally on the phone. These are my lights. This is my restroom. But I wanted to give you guys a lit get unready with me. This is gonna be my full skincare routine, and no matter what time of day it is, I remove my makeup and do my full skincare routine. Just jump right into it. I am lit for the first time in my life, guys. Look at this. I am wearing, what's going on here? The buttons are unbuttoning. I am wearing a size 18 jeans. This is what it looks like in the mirror. This is what it's giving. I hope this is raw enough for you guys. I hope this is real enough for you guys. I'm lit. I'm crazy. Do I look here? Or do I look here? Or do I look here? Do I look here? Okay, I'm gonna flip this camera around in reverse and you guys are gonna get unready with me. Let's get into it. All right, guys, so I am in my bathroom. I did blue eyeshadow. Actually, my friend Ronnie did my eyeshadow tonight. Also, I am in esthetician school. I have about 450 hours logged in, so I might have like 140 hours left of schooling. I know the steps of a facial, so I'm gonna kind of give a mini facial tonight. Pardon my drunkenness. I am lit. I'm trying to be as professional as I can.
I wanna go to bed. It's 5 in the morning.
You wanna know my drink? It is, just guess. Guess what kind of liquor? I meant to say, take off your eyelashes. These are my lashes. God, my nails are so right now. So I took off my lashes. I like to take my contacts off. I was not intending on how, ooh, my eyes are burning. I had just had tacos. Now I'm sticking my finger in my eyes. Oh my God! Wow! Ooh. Why did I want to screw my toothpaste cap on this? Okay, I always hated this freaking door because of all my robes, and I'm quite embarrassed about how many robes I have on my door. I know I'm not the only one. Comment down below. This is the real me. We're breaking out. It's overlined. It's blue. But does your opinion matter and affect me?
No.
Because I'm confident in how I look and I've lost 50 pounds. Let me stop. Okay. Ooh. My ankle came out. Let's remove the makeup. This is my first launch ever. This is Go Off, the Go Off Makeup Dissolving Mist. And this is my wipes that I might discontinue because no one likes them.
I take constructive criticism.
I hate this little white freaking tab. Ugh. This spray you need. Okay, the turban has to go. It does not cleanse your face. This is not a cleanser.
Again, this is not a cleanser.
Now we are giving 5 head. Dirty nails. Dirty nails. Glam face. Continuous mist. Feels like air. Spray it everywhere. I'm quite obsessed with this because it literally doesn't drip. And then what I love is that it allows your wipe to glide. Ready? 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 Are you ready? As it's dripping. I said it's not gonna drip, but
it literally doesn't drip.
You know what I mean? Like, it's freaking amazing. Obsessed. Spray. Eye.
Make sure your eyes are closed.
Wipe, watch. So, I'm gonna wipe the rest of my makeup and we'll be right back for the cleanser. I'm sorry to report that I'm not in a YouTube mansion as a beauty guru for the past 10 years. So I'm gonna go change into my robe and then sit on my toilet with potpourri, do my skincare for you. Can you guys see me?
Can you guys see me?
So what I like to do is, that is so embarrassing. I'm not giving aesthetic. Is the potpourri humbling? All right, guys, so I like to take a towel, and I don't know if you guys can see, this is my kind of like my sink. Sorry for the squeaky toilet. Again, I am not in a famous YouTuber mansion. This is just me in my apartment. So I like to take a towel, and if this is like a pro tip, okay? Always fold your towel and put it on the edge of your sink. So that way, when you guys are like washing, there you go. Oh my God, that is embarrassing. Figure this the out. This is so annoying. So that way when you're washing your face, you can put your elbows, and then when all the water comes down, the water will land on here. I know they've had like those little scrunchies and things. I don't have the time to find scrunchies, okay? First things first, I'm going to pre-cleanse. This is the Dermalogica pre-cleanser. And right here, next to me is a Vanity Planet steamer. What I have learned about pre-cleanser, guys, is oil removes oil. So if you want like a deep clean, use an oil pre-cleanser, okay? I have so much oil around right now to clean it. I remember like going out to party in Orlando. Y'all gonna make me lose my mind up in here. I would always, no matter what hour of the night, I would always go to Walmart and get wipes and makeup remover because it meant that much to me. My steamer is on. Make sure you use distilled water. This is obviously not like an everyday occasion for me, but I need a deep clean, so I'm gonna do it for you guys. Let me know if you guys want to see a sober skincare routine. You're probably like, this is not even drunk. I had fun today, and I love you guys. Make sure you use distilled water. I didn't because I don't have any, but off. Time to wash.
And purify pores.
I think I'm gonna move the camera. Oh, what a better angle because my bathroom is so messy. That's embarrassing, but here we are. So, just wash my face.
Can you guys even see me?
Okay, whatever.
Can you guys see me?
I don't know if I'm gonna regret this. Okay, I just think it's a pat. Look, and then I get to set it down on my sink. I'm gonna turn my steamer on again. This cleanser, I'm obsessed with it. This is the Cetaphil Gentle Skin Cleanser, dry to normal sensitive skin, hydrates as it cleanses to soothe. Oh, another one that I like is, I also like these. This is the CeraVe Renewing Salicylic Acid Cleanser, great for acne skin, and the Foaming Facial Cleanser. I'll probably use this one. It's kind of like gel consistency, 2 pumps. You can get them anywhere. A little bit of water. I feel like I'm gonna regret this in the morning. I actually won't because I won't be breaking out. I like to refold my towel. So this is the next step. Look at my skin, it's already so clean. So it's around 5:15 in the morning. So I'm gonna take my Tatcha Rice Polish Gentle. This is my laundry detergent cup that I've cleaned. And I like to take a little bit of powder, and I like to take a little bit of water, and I take a fan brush, and I have this all in my bathroom, and I like to create a foam. You see this foamy consistency? This is what's gonna exfoliate the dead skin off our face. This is good to know because you are going to allow your hyaluronic acid and your moisturizers to really soak in the face. Rub it in. Now rinse. Ow, got in my eye. Ugh. Alright guys, by this point you should feel really, really clean and vulnerable. Are you guys learning from my YouTube channel? Yes. Readjust the turban. Oh. See, what do I want to put on my skin? I have so many products in my bathroom, I literally do not know what to use. So recently, I'm gonna be really upfront and honest with you. I started the company Apostrophe. Normally, day to day, I wouldn't do the exfoliating part with the Tatcha, but again, the Tatcha Rice Polish is very gentle. And as you guys just saw, I do wear a full face of makeup. Right now, I am on Tretinoin Azelaic acid at 0.6 018 and 15%. This is Tretinoin. If you guys want to know more about it, comment down below. If you know, you know. It will turn over my skin and help with my texture. Another thing that I'm trying is hydroquinone 6% to even out, you know, just kind of like the uneven spots in my skin. And I also love pairing it with the Apostrophe Sunscreen. And if you want, you can sandwich it with this CeraVe facial moisturizing lotion. So I take my Tretinoin, just one pump. If you want more of an in-depth review as to why I'm doing this, I know like people are like, oh my god, that's so much in this area. I've been using it for like a month and I've built up to this, and I don't like putting it down here or here because my eczema acts up a lot. I'm gonna take my hydroquinone just a little bit and apply this. I have consulted with a doctor, dermatologist, to be prescribed these things. And then right after, I'm gonna take a lot of moisturizer and I'm going to apply this on my face. I'm gonna take my lip. I'm also gonna take the Tatcha Silk Peony Eye Cream. Last but not least, I love growing my lashes. I'm going to just lightly apply this on my lashes. Do not get this in your eye because your eye will be red for the next day. And then this concludes my dry skincare routine. I hope you guys enjoyed it. I miss you guys on YouTube. Hopefully this wasn't too long. If you guys have any questions, comment down below. Maybe I'll do one a little bit more less lit. But that's my skincare routine. I love you guys so much. Happy 10-year anniversary to me on YouTube. I love you guys so much. Thank you guys so much for watching. If you guys want to see more videos like this, comment down below. Thumbs up. I love you guys so much. Don't forget, makeup is a one size fits all. And I hope to see you all in my next video. Bye.